Hello there, welcome to Bell CB and a tune-up report on the Galaxy DX-979. This is for Donald in Connecticut. Donald, in this watt meter over here, I got 10 watts dialed in across the top scale. Radio set on low power, coming at 1 watt. If I turn the power up all the way, coming it's a little over 5. And the peak power on this watt meter, 50 watt slug, 20, and there's 30. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and upper sideband. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Freq 19 for radio check.
I got your radio check over here.
I appreciate it, driver. It sound all right to you?
Sound like $1 million bucks. Where you at?
Well, we're here at Dixie and Commercial, Roger.
Okay, I'm not too far. I'm down here on Prospect, but you're sounding good to me.
Campbell, we're right back at you. You have a good day now. Drive safe. Bye-bye.